For this lab, we will be wearing plastic gloves, an apron or lab coat, and safety glasses. We will be using dissecting instruments, a dissecting tray, a preserved mammal heart, newspaper and/or paper towels, and a large beaker filled with water. First, we will wash the heart with water. Then we will remove any fatty tissue. Always cutting away from yourself. Now we can observe the external features of the heart. View the apex at the base. View the aorta and superior vena cava. Also, look for the pulmonary artery, pulmonary vein, and inferior vena cava. The last three may not be visible on your specimen. Slice from the aorta down to the apex. The right side of the heart is much smaller than the left. On the upper portion of the heart, we see the atria. On the lower portion of the heart, we see the ventricles. The septum separates the left and right sides. The left side of the heart is larger and more muscular, as it pumps blood to all areas of the body. The right side of the heart only pumps blood to the lungs. The atrioventricular valves separate the atria from the ventricles. Also, the chordae tendineae work to close these valves to prevent backflow of blood.